Cześć, jestem Michał. Hello, I am Michael and welcome to my channel World in Polish. In this channel we learn Polish language and I hope to help you with that. Today we're gonna learn about how to count in Polish, about numbers. This video is targeting beginner learners. Just as a reminder, I also have playlist for intermediate and advanced learners where I don't use English almost at all. And we also have what we call pronunciation drills playlist. And those videos from that playlist help you how to pronounce better Polish sounds because it is very difficult for many learners. Let's get started with today's topic. Numbers means in Polish liczby. So let's just get to that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unfortunately, in Polish, when we use numbers, their endings may change depending on whether noun and adjective is masculine, feminine, or neutral. I don't want to get too much into the grammar because at the very beginning of learning Polish that might become too difficult and very confusing. I prefer to teach you those aspects of Polish language in phrases or in sentences. When you try to remember whole phrase, initially it will be much easier for you to start speaking, and only later on you should try learning more grammar. That's my advice, but of course you can do what works for you. So numbers with masculine nouns will sound like this. Pączek or donut, it's a masculine. We would say 10 pączek, this donut. It's a masculine noun. So those numbers will look like that. 1 pączek, 2 pączki, 3 pączki, 4 pączki, 5 pączków, 6 pączków, 7 pączków, 8 pączków, 9 pączków, 10 pączków. I want to emphasize here something very important. If you look at one donut, the ending of pączek is different comparing to when we talk about 2, 3, or 4 donuts. As you see, we use noun pączki, so there is a different ending. And then beyond 4 donuts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and more, we use form pączków, 5 pączków, 6 pączków, and so on. It's a peculiarity of Polish language. You just have to take it at the face value. But if you say 2 pączek, 3 pączek, people will understand you, but it is grammatically incorrect. Now, let's use what we just learned in practice. If you come to the coffee shop or to a shop to buy donuts, they may ask you, what do you want? Co chce pan or pani zamówić? What would you like to order? Then you would answer poproszę, means please, or chciałbym, I would like. And then you of course say what you like. In this example, we want to buy or order donut or donuts. So you would say poproszę jednego pączka, or poproszę 2, 3 or 4 pączki. And beyond 4, we use again different form. We would say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pączków. So 5 pączków, 6 pączków, poproszę 7 pączków, 8, 9, 10 pączków. So just remember to, in the beginning, to say poproszę or chciałbym. Poproszę is please and chciałbym is I would like. Now let's work the same way with nouns which are feminine. And example of that will be kawa, coffee. And again, jedna kawa, 2 kawy, 3 kawy, 4 kawy, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kaw. As you can see, again, for 1, jedna kawa is different from 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 kawy, different ending. And then beyond 4, when we say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we use kaw. So pay attention to those endings if you want to be grammatically correct. Now, again, let's order coffee in the coffee shop. The waiter or waitress may ask you, co chce or co chciałaby pani, pan zamówić? And you can answer poproszę, or you can use chciałbym, and then you will say poproszę jedną kawę, poproszę 2 kawy, poproszę 3 kawy, poproszę 4 kawy. And if you have big family or big group of friends and you order more than 4, you will say 5 kaw, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 kaw. I hope you understand what I am trying to teach you here. And finally, we also have neutral nouns, to piwo, for example. And with numbers, it will be jedno piwo, 2 piwa, 3 piwa, 4 piwa, 5 piw, 6 piw, 7, 8, 9, 10 piw. Again, you can see that for 1 there is different ending for piwo. 2, 3, 4 has ending piwa, and beyond 4, starting from 5, 5 piw, and everything else will have piw. So again, let's imagine that we are in a restaurant or in a bar and we want to order beer, piwo. The waiter will ask you, co chce pan, pani zamówić, or co chciałby pan, co chciałaby pani zamówić. And you can answer poproszę, or you can use chciałbym, and then you say jedno piwo, poproszę jedno piwo, poproszę 2 piwa, chciałbym 3 piwa, chciałbym 4 piwa, poproszę 5 piw, chciałbym 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 piw, and so on. So again, I want to point your attention that jedno piwo has different ending, piwo, comparing to 2, 3, 4 piwa, and then from 5 you will say 5 piw, and so on. Let's practice. So I would like you to write in Polish under comments the following statements. And if you don't know those nouns, please check in the vocabulary and pay attention if they are masculine, feminine, or neutral, because that may have effect on the endings of those nouns. So please write under comments 1 train, 2 women, 3 houses, 4 cars, 5 flowers, 6 beers, 7 cups of coffee, 8 bottles, 9 men, and 10 people. I hope you enjoyed this video, and in another video we will talk about numbers from 11 and above. So if you're interested to learn counting and learn those numbers, please find that video in my link. And as always, I ask you to support my channel. This is a new channel where I want to help you how to learn Polish. So please subscribe to that, hit the like button, and write comments and questions. All feedback is very welcome. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the future videos.